Hi, I'm Mitja Manček, the author of 23 short animated films. My life is pure boredom. I was told plenty of stories when I was a little child, such as Red Riding Food, and one about Marian the Bunny.
Ja pojedu sega za večerjo, preden smo šli.
I have always liked the secrets of the universe. I like to climb mountains. I'm also interested in ancient past. And I don't like our civilization. I hope aliens will come and save our planet. Because what people bring to our planet is pure death. There is so much fundamentalism in this world. And so people still believe in Santa Claus. Will justice ever be done? Will terrorists prevail? Or anti-terrorists?
Goddamn Russia and China! Have you any idea how much oil does Syria have?
Who is going to get laurels? Who wins? Life or death? Are we just cannibalizing ourselves? Or is there some kind of progress? How were we composed? By two? By two people? Who am I?
Ne znam se braniti pred napadi sošolcev, zunanja fizična podoba se mi zdi prenežna, še svoje ime se mi zdi preveč poženščeno, tako da vse to rabim spremeniti, vsaj na papirju.
There is a lot of homework that needs to be done. Thank you and welcome.